Hey y'all, this is me, Vintage Southern Fan Collector, back with the ceiling fan video. And today I have this Hunter Avignon, which I think that's how you pronounce it. And I got this fan from Restore, but I hung it up today and I realized that this fan has something a little different than most of my fans that come into my shop. This fan has a 4-speed, I think, because it acts like it's got 2 lows, but you still have medium and high, which I find really cool. But without further ado, let's try the light. Let's go on its low speed. And give it a minute to go on its slower speed. So I think that's its second low there, which looks more like a medium to me. Now let's go up to medium. Now let's go to its high speed. I believe this thing's got a 172 in it, and it's pretty decent for what it is. Has a little wobble to it. Of course, it's one of those huggers that doesn't have the nuts and bolts. Well, I meant the threaded shaft on the mounting bracket. It's not that kind. Oh yeah, this thing's pretty fast. Let y'all get that closer look of that Hunter logo. And now let's do the somewhat spin down. The infamous foam. And one last look of the light. See if we can try to stop it. So like when this thing runs, it doesn't like to stop. Well, here's the Hunter Avignon, and I hope y'all enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys from the next one.